Good.
Perfect. I look like a doctor.
Mm-hmm.
I look like a scientist.
You do.
Dentist.
I look like a dentist.
You know, our mom is a scientist.
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys ready? You have your gloves on?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now you can turn over your glasses. Be careful, okay? Amaris, are you comfortable? Okay. Very good.
Hey!
No. Mimsa, that one is for Peniel. This is yours. Yes. Okay. Peniel, turn yours over. Turn your glass over.
Confusion.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Nance, you have your glass turned over? Okay. So what we can start with is
The syrup. Earth's natural resource.
we can start with water.
Yeah, let's start.
So open your water
Sweets.
and put, you don't have to put all of
Is
it.
there a
Put,
guarantee that we is there a opinion that we're not allowed to drink this?
you can drink it, but just, can we focus on doing the experiment and then you can drink later? Okay, perfect. Perfect amount, Amaris. Perfect.
Sweets.
Very perfect. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, you don't have to pour all of it, just like half of it.
Like mine.
Yeah, perfect. You can use your other hand to hold the glass if you feel. Use your other hand, yeah, to hold it. Ness, please don't make him make a mess.
That's so good.
Okay.
Make a mess, make a mess, make a mess.
Don't make a mess.
Come on.
Put a little bit more.
If we were been recording, if she wasn't
Put a little bit more.
if she wasn't
Okay,
recording
I think
us,
it's good enough.
if she wasn't recording us
Okay,
right now, I'd
so-
put this on the screen.
Penia, add a little bit more because we want to see more of it. Add a little bit more.
Fascinating. Like mine, or is it too much? Is mine too much?
It's perfect. It's perfect. Yours is
Is
perfect.
mine let me filter a little. Actually,
mine
no,
enough?
is mine enough?
Okay, so some of you can add color to your water if you want. Let's do this. How about 2 of you add color and the rest don't add color, so that we can see the difference.
I'm gonna do it.
You all want to add color?
Yeah.
Nope. Me and Disco Dips. Yeah,
Come on. I was hoping one person would not add color to it so that we can see the clear water. Okay, I guess that will be in our next video.
It's just
Okay, that's fine. Just a drop.
Amaris.
Yeah. Be careful it doesn't get to your clothes. It can mess your
No,
clothes.
I'm doing.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. In our next video, maybe we will do like one with no color. Amaris, be careful, okay? Okay, put a drop. This color is very strong, so you want to put a drop, and you want to mix your cup just a little bit, so that you will have all the nice color. Yes, just one drop. Mims, are you okay with yours? Maybe yours is not open. Let me help you.
That's my help you.
Yeah.
That's my help you.
Penia, can you help or he got it?
It's gonna probably correspond to this.
Exactly.
in color.
That's why maybe you should decide to use just water.
Mommy.
Why don't you pour?
As a scientist, I will help.
You see, Nis, your color is just like the same color as the syrup.
It's not.
So I'm thinking
No, it's in comparison. It's not.
it's about the same. Why don't you do clear? Now you know. So next time we will use a different color. We will use a much lighter color.
Is that marker?
Okay? So pour it out. Go pour it out and then let's do clear. Let's just do water. You really want to do the color so bad? Okay, that's fine. Mims, are you okay?
Yes.
You don't need help?
I will help you since I'm a scientist.
Be careful, guys. The colors are very, very
I'm a
strong.
literal scientist.
Amaris, are you okay?
Legitimate.
I'm raising my hand.
You raising your hand? Mix your water a little bit. Like, mix it up very gentle. Yeah, very good. Very good.
Science.
Okay.
Science. My name is Science Bob.
Science.
Mims, I think you do need help. Do you need help?
Wait, the transparency potion.
Okay, let me help you.
It's time to do
So,
it.
guys, the next liquid. This was water, right? So the next liquid will be. Should we go for oil? Okay, let's do oil. Open up your oil.
Miracle oil.
Gentle, be gentle, guys. Take it easy.
I'm a scientist.
Okay.
I'm the real scientist. Shut up.
All of you are scientists. Please don't say shut up. I don't think it's nice for your friends
I'm
to.
sorry.
Now be gentle when pouring your oil. Okay? Okay, I think I should have taught you guys to maybe be gentle. I think what I should have showed you guys is you have to tilt the cup, tilt the glass a little bit. Let me show you. Okay, so very good. I see the separation. You guys see it?
Yeah.
And guys, just because
see
I
it?
added the color to the water,
You can still see
the
it.
transparency will cause it to
Mimsa,
look
be gentle.
different.
Tilt it like the way I showed Peniel.
I see it.
Yeah, tilt the glass. Very good.
I see mine.
That's right, baby.
It's on the
It's beautiful, right?
so beautiful.
So you see the separation, right? You see the water, reddish water, and then Peniel's one is
The red
orange.
is causing it to have a light spectrum
Okay.
of red.
Mommy, can we
See,
keep
it
these?
kind of
You
looks
will
red
keep
in
them.
this
They are your
area.
experiment. Okay, so the next liquid we want to add to it is what? The syrup, right?
Yeah.
But
Okay, let's do
this
this.
is waste of good food.
It's okay. Everything is
This
edible
isn't
here.
food. Shut
Well,
up.
Okay, so add the syrup. Gentle, just like you did the oil. Tilt it. I mean, you can add it just like that and it will still separate, but it takes a little bit longer if you add it very fast and very rough. So if you want it to separate quickly, you have to tilt the glass a little bit and add it very gentle.
I have made an error. My calculations are correct.
Okay,
I
so
have made
tilt
an
it. Peniel, tilt it so you will have, it wouldn't take long to separate.
I tilted.
I have made an error. Now you can't even.
You can tell
Yeah.
the difference between your what? Your oil and your
No, we got, with
the syrup. Oh yeah, it got mixed up. You know why? So probably
maybe
the
because
density of it is similar.
because of the food
The color. That's why I was telling you have to put very little.
I put
Very little, like a super drop. That's why I told you, why don't we do just the water? It'll be easier if we did just water. You can see it clearly. This is not too late. You can get rid of it while you finish your oil.
It's not
I have
too
to.
late.
Amaris, how is yours?
Good.
Can you bring it closer so I can see?
This is just the common failure of a scientist. You can always
It's
try again.
beautiful.
So yours, the water is nicely separated.
Oh.
Well, Nis, Amaris's own is just like yours too. It didn't really quite separate. Look, actually,
we can lively see.
Actually, no. You can see Amaris's one. The bottom is darker. So the syrup now is at the bottom. And the water is in the middle. And the oil is on top of the water.
It's
For
so
Amaris's
It
one.
looks like it's this
Yes. And let's see Peniel's. Peniel's is the same. The syrup
so
is... So it means the syrup is heavier than all the liquid so far.
I've seen this.
The syrup is at the bottom. The water is in the middle. And the oil is on
Wait,
top.
I hypothesize.
Let's see.
Maybe because of the food coloring mixed with the water, plus the syrup being heavy in density, maybe it's bringing it down, bringing the food color based water down.
Miss, guess what? I can still see. I can still see yours. The bottom is the...
Yeah,
The bottom is...
Is
the bottom... Now I'm confused. Is the bottom the water or the bottom
That's
is
the syrup.
the syrup? But the syrup was darker.
Which it's because of the reflection.
Yeah, I'm not getting a good picture of it.
The
Anyways.
transparent glass is
Okay, now let's add the alcohol. Let's add the alcohol. The alcohol is in the white, yes. The same way to add it. Be gentle. Be gentle when adding the alcohol. Amaris, you got it? You need help? Peniel, help your sister.
as a scientist.
Okay, so Amaris, you added the alcohol already?
Oh my goodness, somewhere.
Peniel is adding alcohol now. Good job, Peniel.
This is so pretty.
Okay, so I poured in the alcohol, but
Okay, give me a minute.
systematic error.
Oh, Mimsa, yours is so well separated.
But mine is beautiful.
Yeah, of course. Let me see. Nis, I can see your alcohol separated from the oil too. It's good.
It looks like water.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink it.
Please.
Guys. And
It's
even
so
when you turn on
Peniel, yeah, lift it up the way you did. Lift it up.
I am a
Turn it around for me to get a good picture.
science.
Yeah.
a picture too.
Yeah.
I'm science Bob. What? Yeah. Never mind. Why do I keep on saying that?
I'm gonna send you to the dungeon if you
I
keep
finally
on doing that.
created the newest
nice.
potion.
Memsa, you want to lift yours up?
Oh gosh, it smells like alcohol. This potion.
Okay, it smells terrible.
Okay, so guys, which liquid is at the bottom? I think Memsa's own will be a good way to now summarize everything. Memsa, so you have the syrup at the bottom, right? Your syrup is at the bottom. No, the syrup is the dark one. The syrup is heavier than all the liquid. The density of the syrup is much bigger. It's heavy. So it's at the bottom. And then comes the water with color. I think the color makes a big difference. I think if it wasn't for the color, no, water is quite heavy. The density for water is quite heavy
That's why you put.
than the oil, I think. I don't know why I'm confused. Anyways, so the maple syrup is at the bottom. The water is next. The oil is next. And then on top. And then the alcohol is at the top. Okay, now the final test. Now let's see where either the penny, the coins, or the wood